Here, today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. We're going to break it down for you, and we're going to talk about step by step on how you can over deliver and how you can stay unique and rise among the competition when creating books for these 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We do daily videos talking about passive income streams, strategies, tips to help you make passive income online and to build a business as well. So the first keyword for today's video, and I have a link below this video to another video that shows you all 4 Chrome extensions that I will be using to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords, so you can go ahead and access it after this one. The first keyword for today's video is car coloring book for kids 2 to 4. So car coloring book for kids, preferably ages 2 to 4, it has a keyword niche score of 48 and a total results of 1,970. And it also has an amazing bestseller rank of 187,206. There is an average review of 904, as well as an average price of $7.25. Now, I'm using Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension. It is free to use. You're able to download it from the Chrome store, and it gives us this beautiful analytics that you can see right here. Now, nowadays, it's very rare to come across a coloring book niche, preferably for kids, that has this kind of data in it, preferably the total results being under 2,000, the bestseller rank being under 300,000, which sits at 187,206. And it's really important to diversify your KDP portfolio by creating different books, different coloring books, prompt journals, guided journals, activity books, workbooks as well. And this is what we do here on the channel. We break down niches for you and we find profitable keywords. So as you can see, you want to skip the first 3-4 results, which are usually sponsored, so there's ads running in, so there's no need to have to take these books as an example, and then you head over to see an example of a good selling book under this keyword. So first of all, we do have a couple of books that have amazing bestseller rank, preferably this one, which sits at 3,047. There is also the coloring book Vehicles for Kids. Now, they did not use the exact keyword car coloring book for kids 2 to 4, but they are using another keyword. Why is it listed here? Because it is written in the 7 keyword slots, and this is why it's ranking under this page right here. So for example, creating a coloring book that revolves around different types of cars for children ages 2 to 4. They've not specified whether they want it to be for girls, for boys. They've not specified whether they want it to be a specific type of car, such as maybe like a tractor or a bus or anything like that. But the thing is, when I come, for example, speaking on my own personal experience, when I come to create a coloring book such as this one, made for preschoolers or toddlers, it's really important to keep it minimalistic. Keep the cover clear, keep it large, make it large print, so preferably use a size 8.5 times 11 inches, nothing below than that and nothing larger than that. Also, make the cover minimalistic, make the text large and the images large as well, and also please try to add that educational twist a little bit here and there. So for example, for a book such as car coloring book for kids 2 to 4, what you could do is to add that over deliver and add that educational element and twist to it. You can, for example, have different cars when it comes to different types of cars, and have the children color in the name of the car at the bottom. So you've got a drawing of a coloring sheet of a car, and at the bottom of each type of car or each several types of cars, you've got the name of the type of car, such as truck, vehicle, all different types as well. Or you can have it either in a text that allows the child to color in, or have it like as a trace for the child to practice writing the names as well of the different cars. Parents will be really happy with that. Also, when it comes to quantity, books like these, they require the more pages, the better. For example, if you could offer about 30, 40, 50 pages or even more, it will really sell well as well, because the parents, the caregivers, the customers are really looking for a product that is, yes, good quality, but at the same time keeps their children occupied for as long as possible. So try to aim for creating around 60 to 90 pages full of car coloring sheets. So if you have created a book similar to that, comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your experience. You don't need to declare the exact keyword, but I'd love to hear your experience on what was best selling for you. The second keyword for today's video is wedding budget planner. Now, wedding budget planner gives us a keyword niche score of 39 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. Also, we have the total results under 1,000. It currently sits at 730, and the average bestseller rank is also under 300,000, and it is currently 252,194. Average reviews are amazing, 1,996. Average price $5.90, and we also have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us the number 6, clarifying this niche and labeling it as a nice niche. Now, the number 9 is the highest that you can get on Amazon's Scout Pro Chrome extension, so number 6 is also good as well, and we're really happy with the data that Self-Publishing Titans have given us. So what you need to do, you need to create a planner that allows for budgeting for the wedding. So it could be a combination of a planner with lined sheets, log sheets as well, to allow for logging different types of areas that need to be taken in account when making a wedding budget. And we've got a couple of results here that are selling quite well, a couple of books that are selling quite well and that are independently published. For example, this one is a bestseller. There is no ads running for this, and it has a bestseller rank of 4,189, currently selling for $9.69, and it is titled The Budget Savvy 2019 Wedding Planner and Organizer, and it includes checklist, worksheets, essential tools to plan the perfect wedding. Everything is good about this book. There is only one error that I'm concerned about. It is the year number. The year is mentioned in the title. Now, if you write anything in the title, unfortunately, you're not able to go ahead and edit it and take it out or, delete it afterwards. So, highly advised, if you do any type of book for Amazon KDP, don't include the year number. Now, I love that she didn't include, Jessica is the publisher. She did not include the year number on the book cover, but she did include it in the title here as a text. So preferably don't include any year number, because you don't want your book to be restricted for a single year or given the impression that it is only valid for that year alone. So keep away from the year number, keep away from anything that gives the impression that your book might be outdated. Another thing that is also selling quite well, we've got some books that are independently published as well, is something, as simple as this, sitting at a bestseller rank of 95,629, and it's basically a wedding planner, book organizer, and budget worksheets for brides. So it includes checklists, budget, timeline, and so forth. So this is more going to be of a workbook type. So the more tools and resources that you can include in the interior about helping the couple or whoever is doing the budget organization plan and make it use of the budget in the wedding, the more easier and the more better your book was going to be. So there are interiors available at Creative Fabrica for you to go ahead and check out. I have included a link in the description box below and in the comments section as well for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, all access free trial that allows you to download KDP interiors and KDP keywords as well to help you get started. And then what you can do is you can take these over to Canva or whatever editing software you're using, and then make simple edits such as taking out elements, borders, changing the font and so forth to make it unique, and then re-upload it to Amazon at KDP. Now let's head over to the third keyword in today's video. Third keyword is, just waiting for it to load, it is story starters for kids grade 3 to 6. Story starters for kids grade 3 to 6 it has a keyword niche score of 39 by self-publishing titans. So the Amazon Scout Pro gave us a number 4. I'm not quite happy with that because of the information that we have right here. I wouldn't consider this keyword to be super profitable, yet it is a good keyword that I would be focusing on creating, for example, a book or two about. So total results are 1,059, slightly above 1,000, but I'm not too worried about that. Bestseller rank is 582,144, and we have the average reviews 3,190, and the average price is $12.22. So what you're doing here for this keyword, you're creating a book for children that are between the grade of 3 to 6 years old. So let's say around, let's say 9 years old up to 12 years old children. They've not indicated if it is for girls, boys, anything like that. They've not indicated whether it's a themed book. So is it like a unicorn, dinosaur, car, story starter, adventure, camping, that sort of thing. That's for you to niche down if you want. If you want to get really specific, highly advise you to niche down to see if you wanted to create, for example, a story starters for girls that revolves around anything that girls like, mermaids, unicorns, any of that thing, or maybe what do kids like that are between grade 3 and 6. So apart from that, you do want to, a good thing to do is to create a guided prompt journal. So each page, for example, create 50, 60, 90 pages or whatever pages you're comfortable with. Of course, the more you are able to offer in terms of page number, the better it is.